I'm going to show you today just how easy it is to mix a clay mask for the face, and this clay mask is going to cover the entire face. Clay is a wonderful weekly treatment for the skin, and you can also use it daily. It's safe to use. It's what I call an eco alternative to alpha hydroxy acids. It has purifying, pore minimizing, detoxifying, drawing effects. It draws metabolic impurities out of the pores. It's a wonderful treatment for skin, and it can actually be applied to all types of skin conditions, from problem and congested and teen skin to drier, more mature skin, where it absorbs the dead, dry skin cells that lay on the top of the skin. So today I'm going to apply a green tea mask to Dixie's face. I start with our clay bowl and our fan mask brush, and I also like to use the hydrosol as the water portion of the mask. And so you can also use a cool tea or water, just a purified or spring water is fine. I'm putting maybe about a teaspoon of the hydrosol in the bowl, and then I'm going to mix probably about an equal amount of clay, maybe a little more. This little spoon is probably about a half to a teaspoon of clay. So I'm going to mix a little bit in and start with my fan mask brush and just combine the clay and the water. Now looks like I need a little bit more water, so I'll just pour a little bit in. What you want is a creamy consistency so that the mask spreads easily all over the skin. It can take anywhere from 10 minutes to 20 minutes for an average clay mask to dry, and that's what you want it to do. You want the clay mask to dry completely on the skin. That is its active phase. Once it's dried completely, then you can spray the mask off with the hydrosol, you can remove it with a damp cloth, or you can just hop in the shower. So right now this is a beautiful consistency. It's very creamy, and I'm going to start to apply it to Dixie's skin. You can start anywhere. You can start at your chin, or you can start at your forehead. I'm going to start right in the middle of her forehead and just paint downwards. The clay mask doesn't need to be thick. A thin clay mask is just as effective as a thick clay mask. The thicker the mask is, the longer it will take to dry. And of course, the thinner it is, the shorter time it will take to dry. They're both effective treatments for all conditions of skin. So here I am painting it on the nose and around the nose area. Anywhere where there are blemishes or congested pores, clay is a very effective treatment for cleansing the pores of the skin and really purifying the pores of the skin. So I paint it all over. I leave the eye area clear. You can apply the clay mask all the way down the neck if you would like, around the mouth, but right now today I'm just going to apply it to her face. And the amount that I used is just perfect. I used about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of hydrosol to about an equal amount of clay. And I'm going to apply it all over her face. And then when I'm done, we're going to allow that to dry. And then I'm going to remove it with steamy hot washcloths. This is a damp cloth. As I mentioned, you can use a washcloth, you can use a tea towel as I'm using here, or you can just hop in the shower and let the shower do the job for you. So I'm pressing it off. First of all, I'm just damp moistening it with the towel. I'm going to remove the towel. Then to add a little bit more moisture to make it even easier to remove, I'm going to spray it with the hydrosol, which just makes it easier to take off. And it also gives the skin a lot more hydration and beautiful aromatic molecules from the pure distillation of our hydrosols. So again, I'm pressing it into her skin, and then I'm just going to start to wipe it off. It comes off very easily. A clay mask is, as I mentioned, it's perfect for anybody's skin. It comes off very easily with a damp cloth. Around the neck and around the chin area, around the upper lip, wherever the face is holding congestion or blemishes. And once you have removed the clay mask completely, always saturate your skin with a hydrosol and follow it with your daytime moisturizer. Almost got it off. And then what I like to do is just, whether it's my skin or whether it's a client's skin, I just like to feel and make sure that I've got all the clay off the skin. I'm going to saturate her face again with a hydrosol. And then what we'll do is apply her daytime moisturizer. 2 pumps of the rose hip serum, the pomegranate, light moisture replenishing fluid, the day moisturizers, or some of even the whip shea butters. Applying a clay mask is as easy as that.